Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we are going to make a pine cone to add to your Christmas decoration. This is very easy and quick to make. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. If you like what we are doing, you can also join our not so secretive community on Patreon, link in description. First, we need a strip of 7.5 cm height brown paper strip. And trim the strip to a 1.5 cm width. We need about 60 strips per pine cone. Then we twist the paper in the middle and fold it to the other side. We will need to do the same to all 60 strips. Add a very small amount of UHU glue to the middle. If you do not have UHU glue, you can skip this step. And hold the folding together with a paper clip. Take a pair of small scissors and trim the scale into a water drop shape. Take a piece of 8 to 10 cm 18 gauge wire. I'm just using some leftover wires from my previous projects. Wrap the wire with a strip of stretched crepe paper. Bend a loop on the top for hanging. First layer, we will start with 3 scales. Attach these scales to the tip of the wire. Distribute the wire into 3 sections evenly. Second layer, we will try to fit 6 petals. Attach them to alternate gaps first. Attach the other 3 scales around the same level, so your pine cone is not just getting longer but also getting wider. Do the same to grow the pine cone for another 8 layers. When you got very close to the top, around the 10th layer, you give the scale a little trim to the length of 2.5 cm. Then we make some smaller scales with strips of 5 x 1.7 cm. Trim the scales into 2 cm long and place them on top, altering the bottom layer. We will need about 1 to 2 layers of these small scales. For the final closing layer, trim the scale as usual into 2 cm long. This time we trim the inner side off and fold the top layer over. So when we attach the scale, the attachment area will not be too thick. The folding gives the pine cone a better finishing. I've used 4 scales to finish the piece. It should look like this. And we are done. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. And all our DIY kits, templates are available on our website. Check them out. See you guys later.